This is your tutorial for how to use Canva to make thumbnails on the laptop. Let's get started. See all this stuff right here, but in particular, I'm going to go to the YouTube thumbnail. And then it takes you right to it. Different from the app on the phone. Okay. So, I'm going to make a thumbnail for this video in particular. So what I'm going to do is pick a background. Want it to be positive, so I'll make green. That's positive to me at least. Okay. I'm gonna go to elements. Okay, let's go to the Canva logo. We don't want to put anything not moved because that's against what you can do on thumbnails for your YouTube video. Okay, there's that. I'm gonna make that a little bit bigger right here. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go to text. I'm gonna make this text over here. As I'm with the subtitles and the timestamp won't cover that much. Okay, there we go. Okay, go to here. Now, as I make effective. Okay, and that's spelled effective, so it was a V, not an F. Okay, now I might go to Canva Sans and switch it to a different font. Open Sans Bold. And make it a little bit bigger since it's on PC. Okay. I might go to right here. And I'm gonna go to so that made it a little more bold. So it sticks out more. Alright. Now I'm gonna go to effects this time for real, but then go to outline. This is actually pretty new on Canva. You can have it on the phone and on the laptop. So go to outline, go to color, map it white. And I'm gonna go right here, tap the mouse, it goes back, then I'm gonna go to thickness. I'm gonna make this go down here, make this go up here, then I might do something else. Go back to elements, click on that, and have an arrow. Now I have an idea I will do after this, so I'm not gonna add another thumbnail. Okay. So this post at Canva, then you have this right here, make effective thumbnails. Okay. Hit share. Download. Okay, let's make my second thumbnail. And I'm gonna keep that there. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Go back to elements. Go to that top. Probably recognize this style thumbnail if you've seen my previous ones. Okay. That's moving so I can't pick that. Okay, now let's go here. Okay, let's put that down here, this down here. Go back to text. Add a heading. Alright. Change that to percent bold. Make it bold again. Capital. Then the fetch. Outline. Tap right there. Using the mouse. We're fixing this. Okay, now let's make this bigger. Now we have one more simple thumbnail. I'm not even in charge of what you like the best in the comments below, so let me know and I'll send you to this video that shows you thumbnail tips. Alright, I'll see you there.